Okay, while my heat press is warming up, I thought I would show you a few things that I do like to use. I do like to use the applique pressing sheet that I got at my local quilt shop. Again, you don't have to though. You can just use a piece of plain cotton, an old sheet or something like that. I just use this because I also have it and use it for other sewing things that I do. Okay, the other thing, and this is what it looks like. It's just a pressing cloth or sheet. The other thing that I like to do, and you may not have available, is I have bought, since I have this machine here, some of these foam things. See how wide it is? About, what's that, about a 1/4 inch wide, that I put inside of the t-shirts, because then it doesn't show the square as easily around the t-shirt where the heat was. Something I was using originally, or was going to use but I never did, was a mouse pad, depending on how big of an item I'm doing. Maybe this would work just as well, a mouse pad. Now this is a big one, but you know, a little one for a little item, try it. Okay, so I'm going to stick this inside of the t-shirt. See if you can see what I'm doing. Just kind of folded it in half. Going to put it inside this t-shirt. And this is not something you absolutely must do. It's just something that I do. So I just put it inside the t-shirt, get it as carefully in there as I can. Oh, and by the way, the t-shirt that I'm using, these are fabulous. I got this at Joann's. Okay, it's this Glidden brand. Glidden, I think that's how you pronounce it. And I got the ladies one just because I like it, because it's a little bit tapered and it looks a little tiny bit more feminine. But maybe you like yours nice and loose. So I'm getting that in there again, and I'm waiting for my machine to heat up. When it's done heating up over here, it there are numbers on here. Right now it's at 258 degrees. Oh, and which brings me to this. If you are using a heat and press, either this kind or the kind from Cricut, it tells you inside of this what you should heat it as. So this says for your heat application, see that label in there? It says the temperature should be 320 degrees Fahrenheit. It also gives you the Celsius if you're more familiar with that. The pressure should be medium. And it says the time is 15 to 20 seconds. The last thing it says is to peel cold, meaning you don't want to peel that off when it is still hot. You want to wait until the vinyl has gotten cold. So this is nice because I can turn it around like this. And if you want a link to the one that I'm using here, I can put one in the bottom notes. So I'm going to put this on here, trying to make sure that it's on straight. Well, not trying, but making sure it's on straight. And this pulls out, which is nice too. So I really like this one. So remember the first thing I said, one of the things I have to do is I need to first preheat it. So it's not quite hot enough yet, but after I preheat it, and I think I'll just, now I'll put my pressing sheet, yeah, I'll put my pressing sheet on now because sometimes I have the tendency to forget it. So here's my, what I'm putting on. Okay, it's ready to go. I'll put it on this way with the, obviously with the vinyl side down. This should just be about ready to go. I think I said 320, right? Let me double check because that's where it is right now. 320, yes. I'm gonna, let's do this. Preheat it. Okay, it's preheated now. My Teflon sheet is sticking to this, which is fine. I'm going to put this on. Oh, that looks really nice. It really makes it nice and flat. Put this on, center it. I like it about that far down from the top. Make sure it's kind of centered and straight. Okay. Bring this back over. And when I press this down, I'll set the timer and it will start by itself, and I'll know exactly when to take it off. So it's counting down for me. It's at 12 seconds. 9, 8. I only set it for 15 seconds. That's why when the buzzer goes off, I'm not in a panic to get this out of here. Like this. Now remember what I said, it's cold peel. So I'm not going to peel this off until it gets cool. So I can take it off of the plate in there and put it down here so it's not on this hot area. Bring this back over, and I can actually turn this off now because I'm only making this one shirt. And see, to the touch, it's still very hot. So I don't want to peel this until it is cool. Very hot. I could take this pad out of here because that's probably retaining some of the heat as well. I just don't want to jiggle it around too much. And sometimes I've seen people actually go like this to try to get them to cool a little faster. And it's still warm, and it says cold peel, so I'm waiting. I have a tendency to try to get things done and not always wait like I should, and then I could kick myself. That's pretty cool now. I'll wait. I'll count to 25. Okay, that's cool. Now I should be able to peel it up. And you kind of fold it back on itself like I'm doing here when you pull it up. So nothing gets pulled up accidentally. Okay, that is beautiful. I like it. I don't know, can you see that very well? This is so nice. I love this flock. It's like soft and fuzzy instead of that vinyl look that you always get. Oh, that just looks really pretty. Nice, nice, nice. Let's see if you can see. Yeah, very nice. Okay, thanks a lot for joining me, you guys. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll try to answer them. Thanks. Bye-bye.